Many idioms are too informal for academic or formal writing, which is required for IELTS. But that doesn't mean you must avoid them completely. There are certain formal, neutral idioms that fit naturally into IELTS writing and can actually strengthen your arguments. Here are 12 formal idioms and phrases along with their meanings and example sentences. Number 1, bear in mind. It means to remember or consider something important. For example, policymakers must bear in mind that rapid industrial growth often comes at the expense of environmental stability. Number 2, come to the fore. It means to become noticeable or important. Issues of online privacy have come to the fore with the rise of digital surveillance. Number 3, in the long run. It means over an extended period of time. Investing in renewable energy may be costly, but it is more sustainable in the long run. Number 4, at face value, as something appears without deeper analysis. For example, taking media reports at face value can lead to misunderstandings about global events. Number 5, in this regard, it means in connection with this, governments must enforce stricter regulations. In this regard, international cooperation is essential. Number 6, by the same token, for the same reason. For example, urban areas require more investment. By the same token, rural communities also need improved infrastructure. Number 7, in light of this, considering this fact. In light of this evidence, it is clear that stricter food safety measures are needed. Number 8, as a case in point. It means an example that illustrates a larger idea. Finland's education system, as a case in point, demonstrates the benefits of reduced homework. Number 9, in the final analysis. It means ultimately, after considering everything. In the final analysis, combating climate change requires both individual and governmental action. Number 10, a matter of considerable debate, something widely discussed or disputed. Whether university education should be free remains a matter of considerable debate. Number 11, of paramount importance. It means extremely important. Access to clean drinking water is of paramount importance for public health. Number 12, in the absence of. Without something. In the absence of strict laws, companies may prioritize profit over ethical considerations. Remember, these idioms are useful only when they fit the topic naturally. IELTS examiners can spot forced or inappropriate expressions instantly, so never insert an idiom just for the sake of using one. Practice them in your own sentences and choose only the ones that genuinely strengthen your argument. For general tips on IELTS writing, please watch this video.